Phosphor materials are synthetic materials that exhibit phosphorescence, which is the ability to absorb energy and release it as light over an extended period. They can be made from a variety of elements, including rare earth metals, and come in different colors depending on their composition. Phosphor materials are produced through a complex manufacturing process that involves mixing the desired elements in specific ratios, followed by a series of high-temperature reactions. The resulting powder is then molded into the desired shape and activated by exposure to a source of ultraviolet light. Phosphor materials have a wide range of applications, from lighting and displays to medical imaging and security ink. They are essential for producing energy-efficient lighting, high-resolution displays, and vivid color reproductions in electronic devices. Phosphors are also commonly used in cathode ray tube CRTs, X-ray detectors, and fluorescent lamps. At Stanford Advanced Materials, we specialize in manufacturing and supplying high-quality phosphor materials to meet your specific needs. Our extensive selection of phosphor materials ranges from standard products to custom formulations. From initial consultation to final delivery, our team is calm. Choose Stanford Advanced Materials for all your phosphor material needs and illuminate a brighter future today. For more information, visit Stanford Advanced Materials at www.samaterials.com.